The thoughts, views, and opinions expressed by the host of this show are for authentic, honest, and entertaining purposes. Unless you don't think I'm entertaining. I repeat, this is my opinion. I am not telling you how or what to think or feel, but I do encourage you to speak your mind and have conversations. Just don't do too much. Also, this video is brought to you by Sebastine's Patreon, where you can access over 1,000 videos of exclusive content. Pause if you would like to read. If you want to subscribe and support this amazing community, click the link in the description below, and thank you for everything. Enjoy the video.
Okay, so we got more solo joints for this TXT album. I have a feeling I'm gonna do a video of the other ones after we watch these official music videos. Right now, we got TAEHYUN. You know how I'm feeling. Hey, I'm with my boy TAEHYUN. I like what was said. You feel me? Hey, you good in my book, bruh. You good in my book right now. You feel me? Well, you've been good in my book, but we have a music video titled "Bird of Night." So let's check it out. What you got for us, TAEHYUN?
모두 잠든 깊은 밤이 말을 걸어와 잠들 수 없는 밤 찌깍대는 시계 소리
Alright.
도시의 소음만 점점 커져가 쌓여가는 선택 사이
Okay, TAEHYUN.
불안함 속에
Brother.
무거워진 어깨 어른이 된 건 뭘까.
Listen, you're already in my good graces, so I'm like overly feeling a good sense of energy. And not only that, right now, you singing like this and you going down and up, you trying to like, hey, keep doing what you're doing. I just wanted to say that I'm appreciating these notes right now. These melody, I'm appreciating it right now.
Yeah, 전부 흐려져.
Oh my gosh.
날개를 펴 like a bird of night 잠든 도시의 별빛 아래 고요한 밤 나만의 night flight
Oh my gosh.
작은 점이 돼 어둠이 더 깊을수록 빛나 흔들리지 않을 저 별빛은
This album is going to be so freaking full. When I get, you know what, after I check out these joints, I'm gonna do a review of the rest of the songs because this is crazy. Niggas is getting spoiled, and I love how I'm getting spoiled right now. Cause I wasn't expecting that bass, but we got it, okay? And
이 시간의 이유를 안 know
yes.
We should let it go 불확실한 감정들의
Oh.
일은
Okay.
잠 못 드는 저마다의 이유 이 세상에 어떤 어둠도 언젠가는 glow 내려다본 도시
Okay.
흔들리는 street lights 마치 내 맘 같아 이름 모를 이의 고민
See, I can't see. This is one of the things that really just makes me just start melting, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like one y'all already know my ticks in terms of things, or my triggers, my good triggers in terms of music. If you don't know that little jump in, money got to heap it for me, and then you gonna bring in your voice again to harmonize that shit. TAEHYUN, you better watch out, man. You better watch the hell out. Shit.
속에 널 떠올려 혹시 너도 그럴까 별을 향해 내 곁에
Fly, baby, fly.
기도하지 깨어있는 이유 별을 향해 너와 함께 나가기 위해
And then the piano in the back just sounds so dreamy, bro. Like a perfect ass dream. Not too good, not too bad. Just like this is like a dream that you probably are like when you need a sign to click in your head about something in life. That's what this sounds like in one of them type dreams.
난 날아가 like a bird of night
Bring the fart 808s back, please.
불빛 아래
Yes.
찬 우리의
Yes.
night flight
Come on.
되지 못한 제발 어둠이 더 깊을수록 빛나 흔들리지 않을 저 별빛은 이 시간의 이유를 안 know We should let it go
Yes. Fuck.
같은 별을 바라보고 있을 어둠 속 날 떠올리는 이유
I wish you had so much fun recording this, Taehyun. I really wish you do, because this shit sounds so beautiful, guys. Oh, he's still going down in them notes, bruh. Yeah, I'm definitely going. Yeah, I'm gonna finish this album, bro. Cause it's been too long. I've been holding off for too long. Been holding off for too long. Way too long. Way too long. I'm so sorry, Taehyun. Mwah. I'm overly glazing right now. I'm thrilled though, and it's warranted too. That shit sounded amazing. Oh my god.